Oh, why do I feel like I'm going to get shot in the back? Donut. Where you guys going?
To victory. We're going barn.
Straight into the building. I can't see shit.
I'm starting to fog out.
There's not really much to see.
Yeah, me too.
I'm about to haul ass and just get as many people before I fog out.
Shoot at the shadows.
It's on the inside.
So you're going Monster?
It's like 9/11. It was an inside.
I honestly don't.
7-11 was a part-time job.
Splatter. We don't see the splatter. We see the fall. I wish it was the opposite.
Wait, that's the lucky ball, bro.
That's just gonna chop. Rip.
All right, guys, take up as much ground as we can.
Go.
All right, don't bust your shit coming down here, you guys.
Or else we're going to step all over you. You almost got it. That was pretty cool. I was like, oh shit, I don't know what I should do. Should I shoot back? And then the whole team was texting him. Yeah, I saw a gun pointing and I was like, oh shit. You want to follow us?
Hope I'm in you guys' video.
You will be.
Hi, my name is John.
My name is Paul.
And this is Jack.
Pistol style.
Life of a paintballer.
Okay.
Alright, last
What up? I came to fuck your team.
Long dick style.
Yo, Jager, keep up with me, bro.
I
need that camera on me.
Yep. Hey, Anthony, I got you.
I don't want to run you over.
You need that third person.
Let me just yoink right over here.
I can't see shit. I really can't.
Yo, I advise his ass to move out the way.
Oh, it's a dip. Hey, Alex. Alex. Damn it.
Make him come back.
Oh, true.
Let's go. I never know this.
Damn!
What's up?
It says eat the shit.
Hey, you alright,
Yeah,
man?
alright. What happened?
He good. Lock it up, bro!
Rub some dirt on it.
He's gonna
Get some leaves.
Oh, dude,
He's fine. He's fine.
He's
He's fine. He's fine.
He fell down the stairs.
Oh, is that what that was?
Somebody just ate shit down the stairs.
Oh, they're counting.
What? The fuck are they counting?
You know?
Is that ours?
Is that our game?
We unloaded 7 rounds on Jesus. Only one is necessary. Hey, does that trick work? 0 is necessary to kill one. A little overkill. Unless you can't over here. That's when we shoot back. Right, Ben?
Oh my god, I can see clearly now.
Right when I like take out like my glove. 35. Yeah. Oh no. Alright, let's go to the other team. Oh, hold it up. No, how many do you need?
Wait, what do you say? Wait, how many do they need?
This is a squad.
Volunteer there, volunteer. The party.
Oh shit, my bad.
Hey, good looking now, man. My nigga.
Do I have 2 fucking micro? Why do I have 2 micros? Okay.
One of them's mine.
Huh?
One of them's mine. Thank you.
I can just patch a fog here.
Bro, you got your camera on. No, I don't. I was gonna say, you're getting another one motion picture.
People are just gonna be like throwing up all over their phones and shit.
Hey, Anthony.
Do it again. Yeah, okay, sweet.
Damn, this shit worked.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can see. I can fight.
I heard that shit right.
You got a little stain on your mouth.
Oh no, that's a
Something? Okay.
I'll walk.
Daddy, why?
Oh, it's because I took a towel.
Took a what?
A towel.
Oh. I thought you meant like a toothbrush or some shit, like hi.
No,
Like-
No, there was actually something on my face. And I
Oh.
scrubbed it and it wouldn't come off. So then my dad was like, keep scrubbing it until it comes off. So I did. And now I have a. It's like a
shit.
bruise, but in the yeah.
What are you guys doing? What do you like? Me and that ref had some bonding.
Who?
Viking.
Huh?
Viking. Viking.
Like, how do you mean? How do you mean?
Like when we went to go from a nest.
Oh,
Dude, it's fogging up so goddamn quick.
hey Anthony, you should like cover us so none of us get switched, because this shit's gonna be fun.
What?
You should cover us so none of our teams get switched. Like our little squad.
They already sent everyone over.
Oh, they did? Oh
Yeah,
shit.
like,
Okay.
we're all and then 4 personal.
Oh my.
Yo, with John. Oh wait, is it?
Oh snap.
I'm recording, right? It's
Yep.
counting up. It's counting up. Is this light beeping?
No. Yes.
Light? Okay.
Yeah.
Not one person.
Shit, we got one. We got one.
Oh, you want a party? Hey!
Cement thing. Cement thing. Guys, we got one coming in. One coming in. Same team. Same team. Same team. Please don't fucking shoot me. Same team. We're on your team. We're on your team.
Window.
I was thinking about it.
Same team. We're on your team. Come on. Move up. Move up. Move up. Come on. What? Yeah, we're on windows. Come on. I can't hear what you're saying, man. Guys, on the left of that concrete thing.
Hey Zach, is your mask fogged up at all?
A little bit.
Can you see? Like
Yeah.
really well? You go up to that ramp and start taking them out.
All right.
Because I can't see it. How would myself could I see it? Just like that.
I don't like the spot. What do you got? What do you got? I'm gonna take this side.
Hey, people, you guys move up!
Bumper cars? Bumper cars.
Hey, watch the bushes!
Guys, we can move up. Let's move up. Hey, bro.
Your head!
What? What? Yeah. I can't hear you. I really can't hear you, man. They're moving back. They're moving back. Guys, 2 moved back right. 2 moved back right. Okay. Let's see. 3 right side of the path. 3 left side of the path. Concrete pipe. Reloading.
Watch the bushes. Watch the bushes right here. He's in the bushes!
Shit. Go, wait, watch it. On your right. Ah. Oh, you bitch. I'm gonna refill a mag.
Players walking out!
Lino, come on.
Lino, move up.
This guy with an orange mask in there.
Hey, Chuck. Hey, Chuck.
Where would the guy walk out? Where did he go? He's out.
Go right to the entrance of the tunnel.
Tunnel, guys. Tunnel. All right. What? Quinn, what do you need? I can't hear you, man. What? Oh, I see what you're saying. Moving. Okay, this guy's in front of the fire.
Go got there. I can't fucking see shit, dude. Oh, here. Hold this. I have to have Didn't do anything, but did a little. Alright. So, yeah, I'm not actually out of the I can't even pick one because I can't see fucking shit, dude.
I got you.
All ready?
Hey! One sec, we gotta get this guy to take those guys out.
Where?
Those guys up there are fucking.
Ready? You think we can make it?
No, we cannot right now.
Wait, who's shooting?
This guy here, okay. Hey, buddy! Hey! Bro! Hey! You got two guys on that checkered thing up there. Alright? I need you to take them out.
What checkered thing? Jack, what checkered thing?
Feels like teal and white things. This guy.
Where are you shooting at? Other teammates.
Is he? Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Alright, wait.
Come on right there. Bushes. You really can't see him though.
They're in the bushes.
Shit. Saved my life.
Hey,
Oh, yeah, they are a fucking team.
Hey, yo.
Let's go to ambulance, man.
Is he out?
Hey, let's start moving up.
Yeah. Let's run straight across and then follow them up.
No, we gotta run over there. We gotta get to the tunnel. Or not.
See, he's got the right idea because it's easier to go around him. Let's go. Game's over, guys. Game over.